Try loping.
I think it'll be easier without the stirrups. Did you get home?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god, that was horrible.
You look like a cartoon.
My feet got caught.
That was so funny.
What are you guys doing to me?
Bree's like, what the hell?
This thing doesn't get tight enough.
No, it gets loose, and plus it's like the little, just a regular little wrap. That was so funny. Just that right there.
How much you want to bet I can't get on him?
I'll try. See how this goes. You're close. Try it again.
Hey, keep your head up. Ready? Alright. There you go.
He ain't going nowhere.
Oh, I'm so wobbly. Okay, I'm not going to go far without falling off.
Hold on to like his chest with your feet. Hey, sit up on his neck.
Okay, it's so slick.
Plus you're wearing yoga pants. That doesn't help.
Watch me fall right now. I'm not going to fall.
He's like, what the hell?
I'm down top.
Hold on to your oh shit handle.
I don't have much of those to hang on.
There you go.
My clothes smell like crotch. I just don't feel safe.
That's attractive.
Alright.
But hi.
Try this again. I'm gonna try looking at you.
Okay.
Ready? Come on, hold me.
He didn't lope.
Let's try again. Come on, Boo. Let's try again.
Take him, boo.
Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo Bear.
Oh, Maggie was on her way up too.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna run up here, turn around, and come running back to you.
Okay. Look how funny. Yeah. Your face.
Oh, shit.
Okay, go. Why doesn't he lope?
I can't, because he knows I'm gonna fall off. Watch. Watch this. As soon as I start to fall off, he'll stop. Watch. When I start trotting, I'm gonna go over here, trot to you. When I start falling off, he'll walk. That's why I said he's gonna be an awesome kid for us when he's older.
Yeah.
When he's only 4, he'll be fine with you. Ready? Watch. I'm gonna ask him to get off me.
He's like, screw you, man.
Oh! Alright,
Hey, get him more running start.
hey, ready? Oh my god!
It's really entertaining to watch. Oh, your phone spaced out.
Oh, it always
I'm
is.
still recording on mine.
Hey, think I can
you can. Push up.
I doubt I can. Oh! My pants are so slippery.
Plus, it doesn't help that he's freaking really slick.
Oh, he's biting my pants. Look at him. Let go. Let go. I'm gonna grab him again. Look at.
That's cute.
He's like, you can do it, baby.
You can do it. Just hold on.
Do it, Mom. I swear.
See, that's his cue for you to hold on around his chest.
I'll just start riding like this.
Yeah, ride jockey style. Oh my God! See what he does if you do it.
I can't trot like that.
You get your head on his neck.
Watch. Oh.
You'd be like trotting, be like.
Okay, his neck's shedding real bad.
You almost spit on him.
I know.
That was hella close.
I'm not good at